Your power is angel. Come to save us. Save. Not here. But kidnap some angel. There. A million pairs of eyes are on you now. Watching. Waiting. Hungry. They want nothing more to crawl beneath your skin and eat away at you bit by little bit. Feel what feels empty inside themselves. That thing, catnap. The prototype is his god, and this is what he does to heretics. These little toys all are catnapped to a fate. As in return, they are fed. We try to fight it. The prototype's control. I am the last of the smiling critters. Listen to me. You need to get out of this place. You need to live. You and Papa can fix this.